Hey guys, welcome back. It's Steve. On today's video, I have my Canon M50 with me. I haven't had my Canon M50 with me in a long time. And there's something I want to teach you on here, and it is how to customize your buttons. A lot of people don't know the Canon M50, an entry-level vlogging camera, has a pretty cool feature in the settings. A lot of more expensive cameras like my Sony a7 III, I could customize pretty much every button on there. So if it was set for like ISO, I could change it to whatever I want. And you could actually do that in the Canon M50 as well. And I'm talking about these buttons right here. The circle, and then the multi-function button, the record button. There's a whole bunch of buttons on there that you can customize, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to the M50 settings right now. Now that we're in our Canon M50 settings, what you want to do is click to the right to be on the gear icon and page 5. So we'll click to the right until we get to the gear icon and page 5. And right there, the first selection is custom functions. Click on that. Now on here, if you notice in the bottom left-hand corner, there's 5 options. You also want to be on page 5. And I'm already on page 5, so just click over until you get to 5 and you see custom controls, and now click the Q button. And now here it pretty much tells you every button on your camera that can be customized. You see the asterisk button, and it'll show you on the left there's an image, and it has it highlighted in yellow exactly what button you're going to be customizing. If you click down, then you could customize the multi-function button to anything you want. I have it on ISO, but if I go in there, I could change it to anything I want here. Auto lighting optimizer, touch and drag, autofocus operation, eco mode. There's tons of options here. I'll keep it on ISO. And then you have the ring wheel. So if I press up, it will adjust my focus mode. If I wanted to focus on faces, or do I want it just to be a single shot autofocus? If I press to the left, I can adjust my shutter drive mode. And right now you can see I have it selected. If I press to the right, it is currently adjusting my white balance, but I could change that to anything I want. Peaking, depth of field, display off, but I'll keep it on white balance. And then if I press down to the garbage can, I currently have it to turn my screen off. Because when I used to use this and I took pictures, I didn't want to walk around with the screen on because the battery life isn't that great. So after I take a picture or a video, I just press the circle wheel down to the garbage can sign, and it turns my screen off. So all you have to do is go into here, and you can pretty much fiddle with it any way you want and customize it any way you want. And it's that simple. And that's how simple it is to customize the buttons on the Canon M50. And it's a really cool feature for a camera that's only around 600 bucks. You know, it makes things easier for you. If you're going out there shooting and you want to change the frequency of how quick the picture gets taken, because I like to shoot 10 at a time, but sometimes I just want to concentrate and take one picture. It's great to just flick, you know, the little dial to the left and change it without having to go into the Q settings. So again, that's how easy it is to customize your buttons on a Canon M50. If you like these videos, please follow, let me know, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.